finished packing my bags and it's almost 7 a.m. And I'm not leaving today, I'm leaving tomorrow, but Sushi's leaving today. But still, look at her. We're just waiting for the people to come pick her up. And it's only one day, but I'm gonna miss her so much. She's so cute. I packed all her little belongings. Sushi, what's wrong? You're gonna miss me. You're gonna miss me. I'm gonna miss you too. No. Oh. What are you doing? This is gonna be the bag she flies in, and this is her food. I can't take a lot of food probably, so I'm just taking a tiny amount of this, and I'm gonna give her. Should have given them this one, but I fed her accidentally with it. Anyways, and then I'm gonna give her her little dot toys. Well, I only have these two. This is basically all my life belongings and my carry-on, but look at this. And I'm leaving so much stuff behind, like all of that. I'm just leaving behind. Wait, I think the driver is here. I'm not sure. I look horrendous. Come, Sushi. Let's see if the driver's here. Probably not. It's still raining outside. I'm gonna see her tomorrow, and it's not even that long, but it's just the way she's looking at me when she was in the car and stuff, and she's looking at me like I don't know, like I'm abandoning her, and it makes me really sad. I'm gonna go to Pilates today, and I have scheduled a massage because I just want to let this whole stress out before my flight tomorrow, and in the afternoon I fly to Jakarta tomorrow. And hopefully everything's gonna be fine. I'm gonna see Sushi. I mean, everything has to be fine. Otherwise. So, I didn't go to Pilates because it was raining, and I don't know, I just don't want to spend too much energy on, like, if I don't want to do it, I just won't do it because I'm flying tomorrow and I'm gonna be all tired tomorrow, and I just want to give myself the, I don't know, but I'm going to yoga now, like a gentle yoga, because my muscles still hurt from Pilates from like 2 days ago. And then I have my manicure appointment, a massage in the evening. Tomorrow we're flying. I'm from Moldova, so that's why I'm going there. I need to get some documents done, and since we're moving to Japan soon, I need to get my visa done, but I don't know when that's gonna happen because it's like a really difficult process, and I need Alex, my boyfriend, to get some documents from his work and stuff, his visa, and it's just gonna take a while, but I'm really happy to go to Moldova to just see my family, eat our food that I really, really love. I love Moldovan food. And just see the people that I used to hang out with. And I don't know, I hope it's gonna be fun. I know I'm gonna be a bit sad and depressed because I'm gonna be alone without Alex there for a while. And Moldova just brings back some PTSD all the time, but that's fine. There's so many good things about me going that I don't worry too much about bad stuff. And Sushi can go for walks in the park, and I bought her some clothes that I'm gonna show you when we're there, and she's gonna be so cute. Hi, I'm home and I'm bleaching my eyebrows. I said on my Instagram that I wouldn't bleach them because the autogates don't recognize me at the airport, but I don't know, I just don't like them dark. I looked at photos from me before with dark hair, dark brows, and I look good, but I think that when I have my hair all bleached and the dark eyebrows, I just can't. I don't know, I just feel like I look better with the blonde ones. And I don't want them white because white doesn't look that good either. I just want them to be like blonde so that they are visible but still like very light. If that makes sense. That makes sense because that's what I've been doing for the past almost a year now, and I guess I shouldn't stop. Got my manicure done. Just got my gel removed and just like a manicure with no coating at all, which is very unlike me because I always get like a gel manicure. I just really like a natural look. I don't like just naked nails, but these are okay. But I like the gel manicure, but the past like 5 times I got a manicure here in Bali, my nails kept like chipping at the edges, and it's so annoying. It feels disgusting. It's really annoying. Then I start like playing with them and chipping them even more. Is that even the word? I don't know.
Tengah 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian belakang. Airbus A320 indicated emergency exit.
The doors already inside.
We're gonna board soon, and everything went pretty smoothly, which I'm really happy about. And I'm so happy to see Sushi, and I'm so happy that everything worked fine. And I'm gonna tell you more stuff later, but everything's good. Now we just gotta have a 12-hour flight. here and Sushi's freezing. She's like, she was shivering, and then I put her a little sweater on and her coat. She's still so cold, and I can't even put her on the ground because she gets really cold, her little paws. I should have brought her some shoes, and I'm not sure I can even buy any here. I'm gonna get home now, I'm really tired.